First, rational numbers. I am just repeating yesterday's topic, last point of yesterday's topic. Rational numbers are either terminating. You need not to write this, you have already written. Either terminating or non-terminating but recurring. But recurring means repeating, but repeating.
Not give you attendance. Be very careful and mark absent.
Clear? And the next one is irrational numbers. Irrational numbers are neither terminating nor recurring. Neither terminating nor recurring. Clear? Now we will do few examples related to this. कि आपको suppose rational number दिया हुआ है, आपने कैसे check करना है that whether this rational number is terminating or non-terminating. Clear? For that, I am writing few rational numbers. Suppose first is 13 over 625, 7 over 20, 9 over 343, then 6 over 5 over 14. Clear? आप इस तरह देख के बता सकते हो which number is terminating or non-terminating? Let me explain. First, we will check its denominator. In denominator, we have 625. In denominator, we have 625. Make the prime factors of 625. What do you get? 5 power 4. Clear? In next, we have 20. 20 means 4 into 5. 4 means 2 square into 5. Clear? And the next into 5. Next is 343. 7 cube. Next is 5 over 14. 14 means 2 into 7. Clear? Suppose one is 2 over 35. Here 35 means 7 into 5. Clear? These are the few examples. First, what we did, we make the prime factors of the denominator. यहाँ तक clear है? सबके डिनोमिनेटर्स जो भी थे उनके प्राइम फैक्टर्स हमने बनाए. क्लियर? अब आपने चेक करना है कि प्राइम फैक्टर टर्मिनेटिंग कौन से होंगे. टर्मिनेटिंग डेसिमल एक्सपेंशन में क्या होगा? टर्मिनेटिंग डेसिमल एक्सपेंशन हैज either 2 or 5 or both in its prime factorization of denominator. डिनोमिनेटर को जब हमने प्राइम फैक्टर्स बनाए डिनोमिनेटर में, उसके जो प्राइम फैक्टर्स होंगे वो या तो 2 होगा, इट इज ईदर 2 और 5 और बोथ, या 2 होगा या 5 होगा या दोनों होंगे. ठीक है? अगर ऐसा है तो वो रैशनल नंबर कौन सा नंबर है? टर्मिनेटिंग रैशनल नंबर. इज दिस क्लियर? इफ the prime factors of denominator contains 2 or 5 or both, clear, then that rational number is terminating decimal expansion. Now can anybody tell me first one is terminating or non-terminating? Just raise your hand. Who is there? Parneet. Yes, Parneet. Ninth blue, Parneet. Ma'am, unmute Parneet, please.
Terminating.
Terminating. Why it is terminating? Because the prime factorization contain 5. Next one, 2 power 2 into 5. Priyanka Bora, 9th grade, roll number 12. इसके नीचे लिखते जाओ terminating. Write it side by side.
Non-terminating.
Yes, terminating because the prime factors of denominator contain 2 and 5 both. So again, this is terminating. Next one is now Manav.
I'm not terminating.
Non-terminating because the prime factor does not contain 2 or 5. So non-terminating. Next, Bhavika.
Terminating.
Terminating. Wait, Bhavika. Why it is terminating?
Ma'am, because it has 2 in.
But 7 भी है. 7 की तो बात हुई नहीं थी. बात किसकी है? 2, 5 और both. अगर कोई और फैक्टर बीच में आ जाता है, then it becomes non-terminating. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
कोई और नंबर नहीं होना चाहिए. Either 2 और 5 और both. या दोनों हो या अलग-अलग separately हो, but उसके साथ कोई और फैक्टर नहीं होना चाहिए. So non-terminating. Next, Anu, 9th red, roll number 38.
Ma'am, non-terminating.
Non-terminating. Now I think the concept is clear. How we will check whether the number is terminating or non-terminating. Clear? Any doubt regarding this concept? All of you put your hands down, and if you have any doubt, only those students will raise their hand. Otherwise, अपने हाथ नीचे कर लो सब. Okay, good. The concept is clear, so write down this, and all of you must have your now compass. Next topic is of construction. So representation of irrational numbers of number line. First we draw a number line, then mark a point O on it, then take a distance of 1 unit from O. Let this point be A, and write down the scale. Suppose this is 2 centimeter and we take 2 centimeter as 1 unit. आप 1 centimeter भी ले सकते हो, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter as you wish, and we will write the scale that here I am taking 2 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Then on point A, draw an angle of measure 90 degree with the help of compass. O point पे आपको 90 degree का angle plot करना है with the help of compass. Draw an angle of measure 90 degree at point A with the help of compass. Draw it. Clear? Now next step is open a compass of length 1 unit. Already हमने ये 1 unit draw किया था. जितना O A की लेंथ है जितनी उतनी ही ओपन करके कंपास हम यहाँ पे आगे लगाएंगे. Let it be point B. Again AB is equal to 1 unit. Write down. First we draw a number line, then we will take a point O on it, then take OA as 1 unit. Here I have taken 2 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Then at point A, draw an angle of measure 90 degree. Then again mark an arc at a distance of 1 unit from point A. Now join B to O. Now join B to O. Now we will check how can we find the, can anybody tell me how can we find the length of OB? Can we use Pythagoras in this? By using Pythagoras, we can find the length of OB. So write down in right angle triangle, In right angled triangle OAB, you all know it is h square is equal to b square plus c square. Here h is OB square, hypotenuse square, b is OQ square, p is AB square, OA is 1 square plus 1 square is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So OB square is equal to 2. It means OB is equal to square root of 2. So length of OB is square root of 2. Write down this. Okay, now next is open a compass of length OB. See, OB, O point से B point का compass open करो. Then from point O, place the compass at point O and draw an arc. Draw an arc. The arc cut the number 9 at this point. Let this point be P, and P will represent square root of 2. Is it clear? थ्री कैसे बनाएंगे हम अंडर रूट 3? अगेन draw an angle of measure 90 degree at point B. B point पे 90 डिग्री का एंगल बनाओगे आप. Draw it side by side. Draw an angle of measure 90 degree at point B. क्लियर? P पॉइंट पे 90 डिग्री का एंगल प्लॉट कर दिया. आफ्टर दैट अगेन टेक 1 यूनिट डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम पॉइंट B. 1 यूनिट ये है हमारा OA. B पे रख के आप 1 यूनिट लेंथ ड्रॉ करोगे. दिस इज 1 यूनिट. लेट इट बी पॉइंट C. देन ज्वाइन C टू O. C को के साथ ज्वाइन कर दो. Again, now using Pythagoras in this triangle OBC. I'm writing here. In right angle triangle OBC, x square is equal to b square plus b square. Here base is OB square. Hypotenuse OC square. Perpendicular is BC square. OB is square root of 2. BC is 1 unit. Under root 2 square is 2 plus 1, which is 3. So OC square is 3. Therefore, OC is root 3. The length of OC is root 3. Then again, open a compass of length OC. OC जितनी हो compass open की. Then again, place the compass at point O and draw an arc. Clear? Arc draw करके जिस point पे arc cut करेगी, let it be point Q, and Q will represent root 3. ये arc डार्क कर रही हूँ मैं. recording. In right angle triangle OAB, OA square is equal to, sorry, OB square is equal to OA square plus AB square. Here OA is 2 square, AB is 1 square, 4 plus 1, 5. So OB is root 5. Clear? What we did? Take 2 units along OA. OA is 2 units. So I am taking scale 4 centimeter equal to 2 units. You can choose scale according to yourself. So OA is 2 unit. AB is 1 unit. क्योंकि हमें 2 और 1 का combination चाहिए. AB is 1 unit. Then by using Pythagoras, we get length of OB 5 and root 5. Then again open a compass of length OB. From O, draw an arc. वो आप जिस पॉइंट पे कट करेगी that is your root 5. Let it be point P. Any doubt in this? और आपने जो होमवर्क में करना है that is called the spiral method. Spiral means आपने step by step करना है. First root 2, then root 3, then root 4, and last root 5. This is the second way to plot root 5 on the number line. Hurry up.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, which method would be better, like if we do it in exams or a test or something like that?